welcome to our live stream today. I'm Carrie. It's so nice to see you guys again here.
Hello, I'm Julian. Today I will show you around our factory, and we have some special discounts. If you are interested in our machines, you can click the top button and visit our stores. We will give you a good price.
So if you want to know the latest technology of our company and also the automatic production line, please don't forget to click the button on top to follow us, and also you can click the Get Catalog button below to contact with our sales manager. We will send you the catalog as soon as possible.
Welcome to our workshop. Welcome to our plant. And I will show you around the totally 10,000 square meter covering space. Carrie, could you briefly introduce the layout of the factory?
Sure. As you can see, on the first floor, it is our assembly workshop. And we also have the mechanical machining workshops and the electrical workshop, painting workshop, and welding workshops on the first floor. And on the second floor, there will be a warehouse for our stock machines. On the third floor, there will be a machine showroom for us to do some welding tests. Here, as you can see, this is our machining workshop.
Today we are going to show you around our assembly workshop, mainly introduce you our latest production IPC cage production line and our spot welding machines. And we have exported many machine and production lines to Russia, India, Malaysia, etc. We are going to show you the functions of each machine and how to use this machine to make a complete product.
So if you want to make these kinds of products, it will be a great chance for you to see the whole process here. And also, IBC tank is a hot market now, and many customers want to know the whole process here. Here you can see this machining workshop. We have the gantry tie milling machines and lathe machines. And what are these machines? Can you introduce to the customer?
These are CNC machining workshop now, totally fast size. We always use it to reach a high standard and which has the precision requirement.
So it will be a vast investment for us to use these machines, but only with this machine we can ensure the quality of each mechanical part. So as to guarantee the machine quality for customers.
So if you are running the business related to the production line or some manual products, you deserve to invest in it. And our engineer will give you our professional solution according to your requirements, including some your specific budget, power consumption, and covering space.
We have totally 7 sets of the milling machines and 5 sets of lathe machines here. And now, let's go to the assembly workshops.
For mechanical parts, do we all make here?
Actually, for most of the mechanical parts, we are making here by ourselves so as to ensure the quality of the machines.
Okay, today there's a series of our spot welding machines, and it's one of today's topic. Carrie, could you please introduce the spot welding machine one by one?
Yeah, sure. Let's start with the capacitor type DC spot welding machine. This is the DC welding machine. As you can see, it has a big capacitor box. This box, we have lots of capacitors inside to store the energy. So when doing the welding, it will discharge the current in a very short time. So the welding products will not get oxidized. As you can see, these are the welding samples. This machine is especially suitable for welding the stainless steel products like the pen, handles, and the ears. After welding, there will be no black marks on the surface, so no need to do the grinding and polishing process after welding. So most of the cookware manufacturers are using this type of the capacitor discharge welding machine. And we have cooperated with the customer like Media Group, Super Group, Mayer Group, which are the well-known brands in the world. Actually, we are the first batch of the manufacturers in China who can producing this kind of large power capacitor discharge spot welding machine. And we have the power from 1 kVA to 60 kVA. And normally in cookware, kitchen cookware industry, we are using most of the 10 kVA, 50 kVA machines. Like this one is 50 kVA capacitor type discharge spot welding machine. And later, our engineer will show you the welding process, so you can see what it will look like by welding the stainless steel sheets. So you can see after welding of the stainless steel, there will be no black marks on the surface, and the welding spot is firm and very beautiful. Besides, for this machine, it uses very less electricity, and also it is electricity saving. It uses only 1/10 of the electricity than the AC machine. So it is a good choice for the stainless steel products. So next,
Carol, what about this machine? Could you introduce this medium frequency spot welding machine?
This is one of our main products. It is called MFDC spot welding machine. And this is the most advanced technology in the spot welding machine industry. So this is the controller developed by our company. It is touchscreen type. And we can set 32 kinds of the different welding parameters in the system for welding different types of the products. And you can set the current and voltage according to different types of the thickness of the product. So this MFDC spot welding machine is especially suitable for welding the copper and aluminum and some galvanized steel products. And if you have this kind of product that you want to do welding, and this machine will be a good choice. And now we will also show you the process of welding of this machine by welding some aluminum products.
Hello, Carrie. Here is a question from Steven. Can we choose the different welding control system freely? Here's a question from our live stream. Could we choose the different welding control system freely?
Yes, we will recommend the different control system according to the products of the customer. If they want to weld the stainless steel, then we will recommend them to choose the capacitor type controller and the transformer. And if they want to weld the aluminum and some copper material, we will recommend them this MFDC type.
Okay, thank you for your comments.
These are the aluminum sample. You can see the welding quality of this machine. Besides, we can use this machine to weld different materials like the copper to the aluminum. And also the quality is good.
Okay, thank you for your comments.
And for some tube products, we can also use this machine to weld. Like this is the tower rail products from the Russian customer. They want to weld the cross tube to the vertical tube. So they are also using this machine to do welding. Besides, this is the bus bar product. It is copper, pure copper. We can also use this machine because it will not generate great heat like the AC machine. So it can protect the machine and extend the service time for the machine. So this machine is very suitable for this special material products.
Okay, welcome to our live stream. If you are a newcomer, please follow us first, and we will contact you later. Or
yes.
Our sales manager will contact you and send you our catalog.
Yes,
okay,
you can tell us your welding requirements. What kinds of materials do you want to weld? And what is the thickness? And where is the welding position? It will be better if you can send us the product drawings, and then our engineers will come up with the suitable welding proposal and offer for you. So don't forget to follow us and leave your comments, and we will contact with you as soon as possible.
Our promotion activities is only for our fans. So
yes.
First follow us and then leave your comments. Okay, let's have a look the last two machines.
Yes. This is the AC spot welding machine. AC spot welding machine is the most common type spot welding machine in the market, and also it has a very long history. We also developed the whole control system and the machine by ourselves, and it has the advantage of low cost, and it can do lots of material welding like the normal steel and mild steel and stainless steel. Any products you can use this machine to do welding. If you have the limited budget, and this machine, it will be a good option. Compare with the DC machine, AC machine will consume a lot of electricity, and also if your power grid is not stable, maybe the output will be unstable. So it depends on your country's power grid. If you have a very stable power grid, then AC machine is a good choice. But if you want a more stable machine and you want to save the electricity and no loose welding after welding, then DC machine will be a better choice, because with DC machine, the output is DC current and the frequency is 1000 Hertz. And it can also achieve the three-phase balance. So if your voltage fluctuation in your factory is within minus or plus 10%, it can still output a very stable current. So it will not affect the welding quality of your product. So we can choose different machine model according to your requirements. This is the pedal type spot welding machine. It is the very old style machine, and it is suitable with those customers with very limited budget. If they want to pay the low cost but they want to do some welding projects, and this machine will be a good option. And this controller, as you can see, is our 10 AC controller. You can adjust the current by pressing the buttons here, and you can change the welding time, squeeze time, cooling time, and off time. And also there will be a counter. Here you can also set the welding current. So this is the most simple machine, and also the cost of this machine is very low. So it is very the price is very competitive.
Excuse me, Carrie. There's a new question from our fan. From our fan.
Okay.
Could you explain us the difference between the AC and DC?
Oh, just now I already explained to the customer.
Okay.
Because AC is a very the price is low, and also it can do a lot of welding applications. But for DC, the output is stable, but the price of DC machine is also higher than the AC machine. And DC machine, you can it can ensure the stable welding quality and also electricity saving. Finally, we will see this one. This is also a capacitor type spot welding machine. It is suitable for welding the small pieces of products. So if you have the small products that you want to weld, you can choose this type cable spot welding machine. Now we will show you how the welding process will be. You can see the welding spot is very small and precise. And many customers choose this type of welding machine to do some battery tab welding. The battery tab welding is one of the most popular machines right now, because as you know, the battery industry is growing fast recently.
Okay, here, pay attention to our promotion activities. It's only about a spot welding machine, only for our fans. And we have uploaded the link of the machines, so if you are interested or you have any need, you can place an order on our live stream. The first one, foot spot welder. The discount price is $700. What about its original price is $1,000. And the second one, energy storage spot welder, 2 kilowatts. It only needs you $1,800. What about its original price is $2,600. And the next one is 50 kilowatts AC power spot welder. It only costs you $2,600. But what about its original price? It will cost you $3,100 if you don't place an order within this month. So pay attention to the time of our promotional activity within this month. Okay. The last one is 90 kilowatts medium frequency spot welder. It only needs you $7,000, but its original price it needs $10,000. Okay, pair up. If you are interested in the machines, you can place the order directly by our links in our live stream.
So it will be a good chance if you are interested in the spot welding machine and you want to improve your production rate, and also you want to save some budget. It will be a good time for you to place the order within this month, because we have the promotion now.
or if you have any extra questions about these machines, you can leave your comments and our sales manager will contact you later.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for next round, we will show you one of our hot projects in our factory.
Okay.
The IBC tank production line.
It's also our heat products, right?
Firstly, let me introduce what is the IBC tank frame. As you can see here, this is the sample of the IBC frame. It is a square-shaped tube product. It is made of the horizontal tube and vertical tube. It is made of a galvanized steel tube, and firstly we need to do the welding of the tube into a flat tube mesh, and then we need to bend the whole mesh into the square shape. And after bending, we need to lock the edges of the tubes to lock it. And after locking, we need to do the hole punching at the bottom so it can be fixed on the base frame, the pallet frame. So this is the complete sample, and now we will show you the running process of the machine, how to make the complete products in our factory. Let's see. Now, the engineer already loaded the tubes onto the fixtures of the machine. And then he pressed the start button, and the machine will do the welding automatically.
Thank you.
As you can see, there are 6 heads of the welding machine. It can do the 6 spots at the same time, or it can do the welding separately if you do not have enough the power supply in your factory.
Thank you, Lily. The question is why there are 2 layers of fixtures. What's the benefit?
We have 2 fixtures in this machine. The benefit is that when one fixture is under welding, we can prepare the material onto the next fixture. So when one is finished welding, another one can come to the welding station immediately so as to save the time. This machine, we have 4 sets of the MFDC power source, so the output of the welding will be more stable. So after welding, the mechanical arm will pick up the mesh and then put it on the rotary station, and the rotary station will transfer the mesh to the bending station.
What about the benefit? What about its efficiency? How much time would it cost to produce one frame?
So for producing one frame, it would take about 90 seconds to complete the whole process.
And how many power sources with this production line? An AC or DC?
This is DC power.
4 sets?
4 sets, yes.
Oh, okay.
Now you can see after bending, the mechanical arm will pick up the frame and then move it to the next station, which is locking.
Is there any consumable parts for this line? And what's the service life of this machine?
the consumable part is only the welding electrodes and some punching pins and cutters.
Welding electrodes. I remember later we have some activities about the electrode.
Yes, yes. You can see the locking is finished. And our rejection rate of the locking machine will be very low because our bending precision is high. So after bending, it goes to locking. The whole process will do not have any errors. So since the mechanical arms are working at the same time, so we need to wait until the first station finish the bending and then move it to another station.
Here's a question from Lisa. Can we arrange any engineers to help installation or training?
Yeah, sure. Because this complete automatic line is a little bit complicated. We will send engineers to your country to help installation and training. You see, this is the punching process. It will punch the bottom part and make holes, so it can be locked onto the base spring.
You will also make automatic tester line.
Yeah, sure. Later we will introduce. So after the hole making, the mechanical arm will unload the product to the unloading rollers automatically. As you can see, we have do some upgradation on this automatic line. As you can see, this is the working aisle of the machine. So the engineer can climb up of the upstairs and do some mechanical maintenance on the mechanical arm regularly. So it will be more convenient for the customer. So our company always doing the improvement of our machines from time to time. So you can always get the latest technology from our company. Okay. Ooh. So this is the finished product. So after doing the frame making, we will need to do the base frame welding. So now we will go to show you the base frame welding machine. As you can see, we have two sets of the IBC tag frame production line in the workshop, and also we have many bending machine and locking machine in stock, so we can deliver this machine to customer very quickly. As you can see, this is the base frame welding machine. Now the engineer will show you the welding process of this machine. So the speed is very fast. It only takes about 2 or 3 seconds to complete the welding process of the complete product. Also, we have 3 machines in stock now. So if you are interested in this machine, please don't hesitate to leave your comments, and our engineer will and our sales manager will contact with you as soon as possible. Okay. Julian, since we have so many machines in stock for the IBC cage frame, do we have some promotion activities for the customer?
Yes, of course. In addition, like this, our spot welding machine. Today we all have promotion activities. What about our hit product, IBC cage frame production line? The first one, free charge for 1 set of consumable parts. Second one, warranty for 2 years for controller and transformer. And third, free charge for the chiller. This is our discount or promotion activity for our store fans. So if you are interested or you want to invest in this production line, you deserve to do it. Once again, so if you are interested in it or you're running the business related to the IBC or IBC tank, you deserve to invest in it.
And also, we warmly welcome you to visit our factory to see these machines on site. We also can show you the whole process when you visit here. And recently, so many customers send their inquiry and come to our factory to see these machines. So if you have the inquiry about this line, don't hesitate to leave your comments, and we will arrange the visit schedule for you.
Okay, this is our promotional activities for IBC tank production line.
Okay. So,
Carrie, do we have any other machines to introduce to our customers?
yes, sure. As you can see, there are many different types of machines in our workshops. Our factory not only focusing on the automatic production line and standard spot welding machines, we also make all kinds of the customized machines for customer. As you can see, this is the welding robot that we made for Bulgaria customer. It is the TIG welding robot. It uses the 6-axis robot, 1.5 meter long arm, and equipped with the TIG welding saws. And also, this is the 1-axis positioner with the table and the fixtures. We designed the whole system by ourselves, and also we designed the whole system according to customers' drawings and requirements. So now we will show you how the welding robot works. So this is the final welding quality of the TIG welding. So you can do all kinds of product welding with programming. we can do the programming on the controller. We can set the different coordinates of the robot, and then we set the different points, and then the robot will follow the instruction that we made on the controller and do the welding. And also we can make different types of positioner. We have 1-axis, 2-axis, and 3-axis positioner according to different products.
Yes, you know, the industrial robots have many functions like loading and uploading, spring, punishing. So shall we introduce another one, like loading and uploading?
Okay, sure. We have one loading and unloading robot over there. We can show you how it looks like. These are all the stock machines for the IBC cage frame in our workshops. This is the loading and unloading robot. You can see this. There is a gripper here. This is special design for pick up the tubes, because for this robot is ordered by an Argentina customer. They want to use this robot to cooperate with the punching machine and some other machines. So we designed the gripper to pick up the tube and then place the tube onto the required position. This is 6-axis robot also. So this is a robot ordered by the Argentina customer.
And Carol, if our customers want to buy other brands industrial robots, could we have a resource or analyze to sell other brands?
Yeah, sure. We can also sell the robot with other brands like Fanuc and ABB and Yaskawa, or some famous brand that you required. Any robots that you want, we can help you to install them into our automatic line machine.
Okay, what about this machine?
As you can see here, this is a 2D bending machine. 2D bending machine is special design machine for making the wire products. Now let's show you how this machine works. Firstly, the wires will go to the stamping station, and then it will do the bending automatically. The stamping function is optional. Not every customer needs this, but this machine is special designed for an Indonesia customer. They need the product to be stamped before bending. And here are some finished products that we made. with this machine. You can see the precision is very good. And here you can see this is the decoiler. You can put the wire coil on the decoiler, and then it will do the wire straightening, bending, cutting, and chamfering for automatically. So it is a very good machine for the wire products.
Okay, we can show you around and to see some other machines.
Okay, maybe you will be interested in other machines in our factory. So let's go and see what other machines we have for the wire products.
Okay, let's go. What about this one?
This machine is special designed for making the wire mesh products like this. This is the wire shell product. You can see there are many different wires, the cross wires and the vertical wires with different diameters. And we can use these wire hoppers. The wire hoppers will drop the pre-cut wires onto the fixture automatically. And then after the X-axis wires and Y-axis wire are feed into the fixtures automatically, then the fixtures will go into the welding position. This is multi-head welding position machine. Multi-head, you can do the welding. You can do the welding with effective width about 1.2 millimeter. And also the size of mesh are designed according to your drawings. So you can.
Could we weld 10 spots at one time?
Yes, we can design the machine to weld 10 spots at one time.
It's kind of like the IBC welding. Right?
Yes. The principles are similar, but for IBC tank, it is doing the single spot welding, but this one will do the multi-spot welding. And after welding, it will do the unloading automatically. This is the unloading mechanical arm. It will pick up the mesh from the fixture and then move it to the stacking station and stack the mesh. So the whole process, you do not need the operator to do wire filling, welding, and unloading. The full process will be automatic. It will help you to increase the efficiency and also ensure the stable welding and save the labor cost.
Okay, here are some questions from our fans. Thank you, Steven and Lily. Thank you for your comments. The question is, how can we get the detailed technical proposal and quotation?
If you want to get the quotation and the detailed proposal, you need to send us the detailed drawings and tell us what kind of product that you want to produce. If you want to produce the mesh, and you need to tell us the wire diameter and the maximum and minimum width and length of the mesh. And do you want automatic welding machines or semi-automatic welding machines? And do you need the automatic wire filling system? And all these options, we can do some customization for you. And then if your requirements are more detailed and clear, then we will come up with the most suitable technical proposal for you.
If you are interested in any machines, we haven't shown now, you can leave your comments here, or we can show you next time.
Yeah, sure. And now we are going to show you how the wire filling system works. Yeah. This is the wire filling system. Yeah, you can see there are two sets of the wire filling system. It will feed the wires onto the fixture automatically. Actually, the complete system, you can feed the 3-meter long mesh. So any requirement we can satisfy you if you can leave your comment.
Hello, welcome to our live stream. Today our topic is mainly to introduce you our feed products, IBC tank frame welding production line, and some spot welding machines. And this activity is for our IBC frame production line. We have 3 activities. First one, free charge for 1 set of consumable parts. Second one, warranty for 2 years for the controller and transformer. You know, normally we just give you warranty of 1 year, but today the warranty for 2 years for the controller and transformer is very good choice for you and good opportunity. Only within this month, if you place the order, you can enjoy this discount and enjoy the warranty for 2 years. And third one, free charge for the chiller. And what about our warranty? If within 1 year we can repair the machine or the production line free of charge, but beyond 1 year we can arrange our engineers to repair your machine just cost you the cost of our workpiece. Okay, this is the promotion of IBC cage. And here I remember one question. Could we replace the frame cage like other materials like wood or plastic? Could we replace the base frame of the IBC tank frame like other materials like wood or plastic?
Yes. Some customer maybe they don't need the steel foot pellets. They want to use the wooden type pellet or the plastic type pellet. Then we can also fix the frame onto those pellets. We can design the machine according to your needs.
Okay, how much money will it cost to produce one frame, IBC tank frame?
It depends on the different materials and the different requirements. We can ask our supplier to calculate the cost of the material for you, so you will know how much it will cost to produce one IBC cage.
Okay, let's come back to another series of our spot welding machines, and this is another promotion activity for the series of 4 machines. The first one is our foot spot welder. It costs you $700, and the original price is $1,000. Please pay attention to the time. Only you place the order within this month will you enjoy the discount and the special price. The second one, energy storage spot welder. It only costs you $1,800, but its original price $2,600. That means that if you miss this month, it will spend more extra $800. Okay, it's really a big discount. The third one, 50 kilowatts AC power spot welder. It only needs you $2,600, but its original price is $3,100. And what about 90 kilowatts medium frequency spot welder with stable current and good welding effect? It only costs you $7,000. But if you miss this month, you need to spend $10,000. Okay, first follow us and then leave your comments. Our sales manager will contact you.
Okay.
And if you have any questions or any hesitate about this activity or our machines, we can send you the videos and the detailed proposal and our list of the workpiece to give you. Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's come and see the IBC cage production line again. And many customers are interested in this line and want us to show them again. Here, this is the 2-layer feeder, and we call it. This is the first layer fixtures and the second layer fixtures. You can see the fixture design is very simple but very precise. You can fix the tube properly, and then it will move into the welding station automatically. For the electrodes, you can use one set of electrode for about half year. So you do not need to change this electrode frequently. Every week, maybe you need to grind it. You need to grind the electrodes, and then every half year, you need to change the electrodes. And besides, we will give you one more set of the electrodes for free. Then you can use the machines for about 1 year without the extra cost consumable parts. And this is the mechanical arm that we have upgraded. It has the higher speed and stronger structure. It will move very fast to pick up the mesh after welding and then move it to the bending station. And if you need to produce the square tubes, and it is also possible because we can design the whole line according to your product. But you cannot use both the round tube and the square tube at the same time. For one line, you can only produce one type of the tube. For example, if you want to produce the round-shaped tube, and you need one specific line. But if you want to produce the square-shaped tubes, then you need another line. So after welding, you will need the bending machine. Bending machine will bend the tube into the square shape. Also, you can see the mechanical arm structure. We also have some improvement there. So it is stronger and faster. This is the locking machine. Locking machine will lock the edges of the tube after bending. And then finally, it is the hole punching machine. It will do the hole punching and making so the frame can be locked onto the pallets manually. So this is the complete line machine. many machines now in our factory because we got so many orders recently for many different customers and projects. So if you want to get the machine quickly, it will be better for you to place the order as soon as possible.
Okay, there are really many newcomers to our live stream. Here we have the second round. We will invite our colleagues, Deborah and Angelia. So, if you are a newcomer, you missed the introduction of our IBC tank production line. Don't worry, we will invite our colleagues to introduce you again. Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm your host Deborah. Today we will show you our factory.
Hello everyone, this is Angelia. Welcome to our live stream today. And today we will show you around our assembly workshop and our IBC cage production line and the spot welding machines. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments here and we will answer you.
If you are interested in our products, please visit our store to get the details of our products. Our sales manager will give you many information about our products. Our factory have many discounts for our fans. So if you want to get more details about our machines, please get the button below the live stream to get the catalog.
Okay, so let's come and see our assembly workshop. Okay, now I will introduce you our company. And Huashi Company was founded in 2001. It is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on intelligent manufacturing technology. Our company have the professional research, development, and production of resistance welding automation equipment, the industrial robots, and related equipment. We have a robot production base for nearly 50,000 square meters in Daoan City, Jiangxi Province.
Yes, and this is the Huizhou factory with 10,000 square meter carrying space.
Okay, and so Deborah, can you introduce the whole layout for us?
Of course, on the first floor, there is welding workshop for making the machine body, painting workshop, machining workshop, and assembly workshop. On the second floor, there is warehouse for the machines in stock. On the third floor, there is standard machine showroom, welding test, and electrical assembly workshop.
Yes, and today we will show you around our assembly workshop. You can see here it is our assembly workshop, and here we have 7 sets of milling machine and 5 sets of lathe machine and 2 sets of wire cutting machine. And we also have 5 sets of CNC machining center, as you can see. This is our CNC machining center. We have 5 sets, and our workers are operating the CNC machining center. We have more than 20 professional engineers for mechanical and electrical engineering. Most of them have 10 years experience in the automatic welding industry. So our our product quality can be guaranteed.
So how many machines are there in Welding?
Yes.
Yeah.
So next, we will show you around the IBC cage frame sample. Let's go. So as you can see, this is our IBC cage frame production line. And next, we will show you the IBC cage frame sample to you. Let's go, Deborah.
Look at this sample. It's made of tubes. Normally, there are 20 pieces of round vertical bar with 18 millimeter diameter, 5 pieces of concentric horizontal bar, 1 piece of T-shaped horizontal bar, and 2 pieces of top cross bar. The material is DX51D. It's a kind of advanced steel tube. First, we need to weld the tubes into flat tubular mesh. Then we need to bend the mesh into square-shaped ring. After that, we need to lock the edges of the frame with each other. Finally, we need to do punching of hole making on the bottom tube so it can be fixed on the base frame.
Yes, it looks complicated, Deborah. So can we see the whole process and our customer can have a better understanding of the machine and the production line?
Of course. Let's go.
So next, we will show you the whole operating process to you, how to make a complete product.
Do you know why there are 2 layers of fixture and the lid?
Of course, it can save time. As you can see, when one is do the welding, another can place the product to be welded. And the product efficiency can be improved.
And how many power sources with the welding machine?
As you can see this production line, we have 4 sets of power sources. Yes, here. And we are using the medium frequency DC inverter power source. It is stable welding and electricity saving, especially for those areas with the fluctuating voltage. The machine can ensure stable welding output current. And of course, if the fluctuation is within plus and minus 10%, you need this medium frequency direct current power source. Okay, you can see this is the whole operating process of this production line. it can grasp the sample and to next process. After finishing the welding, the arm will grasp the sample to next station. The wire bending, the tube bending station. It is totally automatic, as you can see. Thanks for your comments and thanks for your likes. So, Deborah, can we weld the 6 bolts at the same time? As you can see, this is the bending station.
Yes, we can show you the.
So if you have any questions, you can leave your comments here and we will answer your questions. So, if you place the order within this month, we will have the promotion activity for you. For this production line, we have this discount. First of all, we will provide one set of free consumable parts such as the punching pins, the electrodes, and other parts. It is for free, and it is value $2,500. Second, as you can see, this part we will provide the warranty for 2 years for the controller and the transformer. And last, we will provide one set of free charge for the water chiller. As you can see, totally we provide the $4,000 discount for you. So please don't hesitate to place the order and contact us. Our sales manager will send you the information and recommend you the suitable machine. Okay, so Deborah, can we weld 6 bolts at the same time, and how many pieces we can produce per day?
Yes, we can. The welding machine can weld 6 bolts at one time. For finish one product, it takes about 60 seconds for one complete cage frame product. It takes about 90 seconds if the machine works for 8 hours per day. You can produce about 327 pieces
Yes.
a day.
And
How many people do we need for 4 automatic line? And how many people do we need for semi-automatic line?
For the full automatic production line, we just need 3 workers. But for the semi-automatic production line, we need 5 workers. 2 workers than the full automatic line. But it is up to your budget.
For automatic line, how big transformer do we need to prepare for our factory?
Okay, for the full automatic production line, we need to prepare the 550 60 kilowatt transformer for our factory.
Can this line make square tubes?
Yes, this production line can make the square tubes, but pay attention that if you need to make the square tubes, then you need to change the mold. So, Deborah, after finishing the IBC cage frame production line, now
Let's introduce the capacity discharge board welding machine.
yes,
This is capacitor discharge type sport welding machine. The features that it got a capacitor box. The capacitor will store the energy and when doing welding, it will discharge the large current in a very short time. In the case, when doing welding, the surface of the product will not get oxidized. So this machine is widely applied in the stainless steel hook weld industry. After welding, no need to do polishing on the welding precision. The outlook is very good.
yes, as you can see, the sample. It is beautiful and no need to do the polishing. They are mainly used in stainless steel, silver, nickel alloy materials, as well as the welding between different metals. So it is widely used in the fields of like hardware, the furniture, the kitchenware fields, and the household appliances, etc. It got a capacitor box.
Yeah, I see. Our company is the first batch of company that developed this machine in China. So we have cooperated with Media Group, Super Group, Mayer Group, DRG Group, etc. These are all the welding leading companies in kitchen weld industry.
Yes, correct. Our company is especially good at the large power capacitor discharge welding machine. And Deborah, can you tell our customer how many models we have?
Yes, of course. We have other models from 1 kVA to 60 kVA. If you need, you can send your product information and requirement. Our sales manager will contact with you and recommend a suitable model for you.
Yes, for this type of machine, the capacitor discharge automatic welding machine, we use the intelligent welding control system. And there are 3 types you can choose according to your requirement. The digital barcode type, the intelligent microcomputer type, and the touchscreen type.
And how about its welding material?
Okay, for the welding material, I have just said before. So now let's come to the next machine, the medium frequency inverter spot welding machine. We will show you this machine. This machine can rectify 3-phase AC to DC power, and it is stable and suitable for countries with relatively functions, large voltage functions like India and Pakistan. So we will show you the samples. It is the welding material, as you can see. And this welding material, this machine, it is suitable for the copper, aluminum, and the nickel and other non-ferrous metal welding, widely used in the low-carbon steel plate, stainless steel plate, and the galvanized plate sheet, the aluminum plate, and wire welding, multi-point projection welding. It is suitable. So, Deborah, we can see the next machine. What about this machine? What's this, Deborah?
This is the WSP 100 kilowatts spot welding.
Okay, after introducing the medium frequency direct current power spot welding machine, this machine is our dynamic AC port spot welding machine. This model is the WLS 100 kilowatts machine, and Deborah will introduce the details to us.
This type of machine is suitable for spot welding or projection welding of steel plate and stainless steel, iron wire products, hardware, decorative lighting, kitchen, utensil, automobile industry, small household appliances, small hardware, etc.
Yes, for this machine, we also have different power supply from 10 kVA to 300 kVA.
What products can this machine weld? Can you show some examples to our customer?
Okay. It is suitable for the wire mesh welding and sheet metal welding. Here, you can see. We will show you the samples. So, what's more, for this machine, the electrode head can be customized. If you have special requirements, you can send your product information and contact us. Our sales manager will send you the details, and the price will be different. We can also lengthen the arm length, but you should tell us whether you need to lengthen the electrode distance or the copper rod. So, after knowing this machine, we can see next is the foot pedal type spot welding machine. You can see. So, the foot pedal spot welding machine adopts lever pedal spring pressurized structure, and it is easy to operate. But pay attention that it is the semi-automatic, as you can see here, with quick response and suitable for a variety of accurate and complicated welding. It is widely used in the welding of low-carbon steel, stainless steel, and the other metal mesh type, the baskets, the plate material, and other hardware crafts.
Yes, comparing to the dynamic AC power sport welding machine, the foot pedal sport welding machine is manual label because it has no cylinder and cannot operate automatically, but the price will be lower.
Yes, of course. And are there any more differences between them, Deborah?
Yes, they use different controllers. Foot pedal sport welding machine uses the 10 AC digital dial code type, but the pneumatic AC power sport welding machine uses the KD5 intelligent managed microcomputer type controller. Also, if customer requires, we can use touchscreen controller, but the price will be higher.
Okay, but the AC and DC spot welding machines look alike. What's the difference between them, Deborah?
These machines are our standard sport welding machine, but with different power source. This is MFDC power source. This is AC power source. And the DC welding machine will be more stable than AC machine, and especially suitable for welding aluminum and copper. If your local power supply is not stable, the DC machine will be a good option. It can ensure the output current will be stable if the fluctuation of voltage is within 10%. Besides, for the DC welding machine, the electrical consumption is only 30% of AC machine.
Yes, that's a very good advantage for the direct current machine. Besides, this machine is water cooled. So please don't forget to connect us with the cooling water when you use this type of machine.
Yes, and this machine is with touch screen. It's more easier to use, right?
Yes, Deborah. And our customer can save 32 types of different welding parameters for different welding purposes. And the AC machine can only save 16 types, much lower, and it can monitor the actual welding current of the machine. Also, the customer can set the present output. So if we set 100, then the machine will stop after you weld the 100 spot.
Wow, it's very convenient.
Yes, if you can send your inquiry through the Alibaba and place the order within this month, then we will have another promotion activity for you. It is the promotion activity about our spot welding machines. So, Deborah, can you show to our customer?
Of course, about the promotion for welded live price. In our live stream, we can provide the $700 for Cook Sport welder of 10 kilowatts, and we can provide $1,800 for energy storage for welder of 2 kilowatts. In our live stream, you can buy the AC power sport welder of 50 kilowatts by $2,600 for the medium frequency sport welder of 90 kilowatts. You can buy it with $7,000. So don't miss the opportunity, don't miss the chance.
Yes, but pay attention that this discount is just for our store fans. So please don't forget to click the follow button to be our store fans. And you need to send the inquiry and place the order within this month. Through Alibaba, we will contact you, and then we can provide better discounts for you.
If you are interested in our products, please click the top button to visit our store. We can offer special discount for our fans. If you are interested in our machines, please click the below button to get a catalog to contact with our sales manager.
Yes, and then if you have any questions, you can type in the screen and we will answer your questions. Just leave your comments here. So, any questions? Except the promotion activity for the sport welding machine, we also have the promotion activity for the IBC cage production line. For this production line, we can provide first of all the free charge for one set of consumable parts, including the function pin part and the electrode head, etc. If you need, you can contact us. And second, we will provide the 1 year warranty extension for you. So totally, we will provide the warranty for 2 years for the controller and transformer. And last, we will provide one set of the water chiller for you. It is for free. Totally, we can provide you the $4,000 discount, but just for our store fans. If you place the order within this month, and you can contact with our sales manager.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your watching. Our live stream will be held every month. Wish you have a good day. See you next live stream.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.